kids, welcome to our Smart Kids Learning channel. My name is Shirisha Mandekar. You can call me Shiru. Today we are going to learn words. First is Sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, Sparrow. Second is Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, Pigeon. Third is Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, Parrot. Fourth is Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, Peacock. Fifth is Crow. C-R-O-W, Crow. Sixth is Owl. Owl. O-W-L, Owl. Seventh is Eagle. E-A-G-L-E, Eagle. Eighth is Penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, Penguin. Ninth is Flamingo. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, Flamingo. Tenth is Duck. D-U-C-K, Duck. By the way, my favorite bird is Peacock. Which is your favorite bird? Write down in comments. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Bye.